Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change email address on Twitter or X.com. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change the email address on X.com or Twitter, go to your browser and browse X.com, and then in left pane you will find an option more. Click on more. Now scroll down. Here you will find the last option, settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and here the first option is your account, and then go to account information. Click on account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm, and here you will find email. Click on email, and the current email address will be shown here, and then click on the update email address, and then you can change your current email address in Twitter. This is the easiest way to change email address on Twitter or X.com. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.